Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm at a RestoMods drag racing event. I did this a couple years ago. A bunch of you made fun of me. Go check it out when you can, because as you guys know, my car is set up for pro touring or autocross or road racing, not a drag car. But look what's behind me. Look at a 1968 GTO. I'm gonna hope that I get one of the RestoMod guys over here to give us a tour of the car, because this is one of their giveaway cars. I'll have them explain how that works. But today's whole mission, hell yeah, we're gonna film some badass cars today, give you guys some ideas on your builds. But if you haven't noticed, the join button's now active. Join the full Monty Club. We're gonna do a lot of stuff together that's only for members, or if you wanna support the channel, get a hat, join the small version, I think it's the quarter Monty, and we can go from there. So let's go get a tour of this car, see the differences, and film some drag racing. So here's the 68 RestoMods GTO. Those of you guys may or may not know the difference between 68s, that corner lamp, different on 69. No headrests in 68, 69s are first, and I've just walked right by it, the butterfly window. And lastly, the bumper. The bumper is different, the taillights are in the bumper. Now, some unique things here that they've changed, and maybe I'll have them pointed out, but I just noticed these are the same wheels that I have, but these are 18s. My rears are 20, my fronts are 19s, but they upgraded to disc brakes, Willwoods front and rear, which is nice. Those of you new to the channel, again, welcome. This is my car. My dad bought it brand new, and I painted it myself. This channel is all about how to work on your car, give you some ideas, because most of the time I just make mistakes and film it, show you what not to do. So, as you can tell from a distance, I love the stance that I did. It's all Global West suspension, coilovers front and rear, and a nice big 470 original 400 block engine. Let me show it to you. There it is, popping in the sunlight. Oh man, never gets old. Those of you guys that missed it, what I do. Oh, I just did a 3-wire conversion on my alternator, so my idiot light works. I put in a remote oil filter, check it out. Down there, that's where it goes. It goes run underneath the car. Working great. Bigger fans, and all these videos are on my channel. So that's what this channel is all about, how to improve your ride. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go check out the 68 GTO from RestoMods, try and get them wrangled, like I said, and we'll go from there. Film some cars, have some fun. Hey, FiTech crew's here too. They brought some well-equipped cars. You guys got the point. You have to save the tatas, right? Watch this car take off. It's crazy. So RestoMods has a sister company called FSG, and they give away modern muscle cars. This is my favorite family car. Cadillac CTSV. Just need to convince the wife that she needs this car as her daily driver. Oof. Love it. On a bike? Oh my God. Before that bike was faster. That pink Nova, I think. So I gotta film that one again. Oh my God. Nice little Dodge Challenger lineup. This one right here is actually jailbreak Hellcat FSG's giving away. This is a manual, if you can believe it. Like, do those exist anymore? Nice. But the jailbreak. Woo. Might have to enter and win this thing.
We need to make.
He's still struggling. Hold on, he's still struggling.
I got it. Yeah. It's not that it's tight. I'm just making sure I'm not in right. Yeah.
Southwest, an emergency on runway 5. We can't take off until we have the extender belt.
You're not in it. So the labeled line.
We need to install a center seat. That's a good point. Then he might fit. Not bad for first time, FiTech Mike. FiTech Mike, take 2. Better, 7.02 with the little pedal action. Not bad, not bad. I don't think I could do that. My balls aren't big enough. Jeremy's on the ride. I told you, I wrangled Joe from RestoMods to show off the 68, but more importantly, Joe, explain to the crew what RestoMods is all about.
So RestoMods, in general, is all about restoring and modifying classic American muscle cars. Now, what we do at RestoMods.com is that we will build one and give it away to fans just like you. This is a 1968 Pontiac GTO that we're giving away right now, ends in just a couple weeks. And very different.
Well, how do you get entered?
Oh, yes. So if you want to...
Hold that thought. Damn, I'm gonna film that car later because that is badass.
Smoking them tires.
Yep. Okay, that's good stuff. Okay, so how do you get entered?
Okay, so you can join our membership for just $12.95 a month. It's gonna get you 15 entries every month that you're a member into giveaways just like this one. You can also purchase gear in our store. We sell hats. Oh.
Yikes.
Wow.
So you can purchase gear like clothes and stuff, and the dollar amount equals ticket number.
Exactly, yeah. So every dollar that you spend in our store will get you an entry to win a car just like this one, this 68 Pontiac GTO.
And I'm a member. I can't wait to win this car because it'll be our next project.
Yeah, I mean, what better guy to win a GTO than a guy who has one and knows how to work on it.
And borderline expert on 68 and 69, right?
Yeah.
So, and let's talk about the differences real quick, because those of you guys are Pontiac experts, I get you. But there's 3 dead giveaways on a 68 and a 69. That's the corner lamps, the butterfly windows in the doors, and the rear bumper.
That's
Did
right.
I forget something? I don't think I did. So you'll see the big difference on these 2 cars. One has hideaways and one does not. Well, when my dad bought this car brand new, he didn't want hideaways, so I'm respecting that. The other thing you might notice is there's no hood tack. That was also an option, right? So that was a dealer option, and my car on the exterior has 70s era Pontiac, what do they call those things? Rear view mirrors. So I can paint match to the body. But other than that, this car is like really basically stock. It's still got the 400 in it.
Yeah.
It's still an AC car.
That's right.
What transmission does it have?
It's the TH400, I think, with the his and hers shifter.
Okay.
So it's got that in it. But yeah, just like you said, original numbers matching 400. Yours also has the numbers matching 400.
It does.
With some mods.
With some, a little bit of modification.
Yep. So overall, this car is very, very original. But we do a lot of modifications to the suspension in particular. The suspension on this car was all original, and so very floaty, not great for any kind of hard driving, and you just want more safety anyway.
Yeah.
So we partnered with FiTech.
None of you should be running your stock bushings, by the way. If you have stock suspension, change that shit out to something better, because that's dangerous.
Yes, right away. So we partnered with FiTech suspension. I
can edit that out and then come back to the... Okay, FiTech suspension.
Yep, so FiTech, we partnered with them on a full suspension kit.
Oops, I'm glad they didn't fall in the car.
So yes, FiTech Performance, we got all tubular arms and everything for it, and then Viking Performance provided us with the coilovers shocks, and it handles much better now than it did before. It's a much more purpose-built car now, it feels like, when you drive it. So in that way, it's still kind of a RestoMod, even though everything else in the car is completely original.
Yeah.
So we always do something different every car that we give away. If any of you guys have seen the past cars that we've built, we just did a 1969 Chevelle with a supercharged Blueprint 427. Woo! 6-speed manual.
I was going to talk to you guys about that, because why didn't I win? I don't understand. Like, I entered.
Yeah, we decided he's too much of a Pontiac guy.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I better win this one.
Yeah. And so that car was crazy. It had like upwards of 900 to 1,000 horsepower. So insane car, probably not for most people.
I'll put that link to the video like right up there. Click on the eye. Click on the eye.
Yeah. So we went with something a little more tame that almost anyone could drive. It's an automatic, so you don't have to know how to drive manual, even though manual's more fun.
Yes, it is. That's a fact.
Yep. And so here it is. This is it right here.
Yeah, perfect. So, Joe, thanks so much, man.
Yeah.
This is a great project car, frankly. Like, you can keep it stock, or the way you guys have it built, because it's safe. It's got big brakes, you know, modern suspension.
Yeah.
Or you can go full tilt, full Monty, which reminds me, join the Full Monty Club, because all kinds of perks are gonna be rolling down the street, and unfortunately, we're not gonna be drag racing today. Because,
for a good reason.
Yes, my differential's making some weird noises, and I don't need to be breaking down on the drag strip. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue filming some badass cars that we just saw roll by. But until next time, man, build them fast and drive them faster. See ya.
Awesome.
Awesome, dude.